You're denying your own home loan. You don't even know it. I want to explain 3 things that usually get people in trouble and they don't even realize it. They want to blame the market. They want to blame something that somebody else did. They want to blame poor decisions when they were younger. But when it comes down to it, here's 3 things that you probably should think about. Number 1, you cannot dispute credit lines. If you dispute credit lines, what happens is it actually removes it out of the algorithm of the credit report. So when I pull a credit report, it doesn't actually show in the algorithm that the credit has been affected by that disputed account. So you go in, you don't appreciate something that's on your credit report, you log into their 3 credit bureaus and you just dispute them. Great. The credit bureaus are going to do whatever they're going to do behind the scenes. Probably nothing. That's the sad part about it, is they probably aren't going to do anything. It's just going to sit there as a dispute. You're going to be penalized when you go in to have a home loan reviewed. Because it's not seeing it, we have to downgrade the loan file to a manual underwrite, which is a whole nother thing that we need to talk about. But on disputed accounts, we need to find out the why behind it. Why are you disputing it? Why is it there? Is it something that can be fixed? If it's just a frustration because you moved out of your apartment and your girlfriend that you broke up with was responsible for paying that final power bill and she didn't, and you're not paying it, and now it's in collections and you're disputing it because it wasn't your responsibility, that's the crap that's going to stop you from buying a house. I think there's so much misunderstanding about disputed accounts, as if you just dispute them, they just go away. No, they don't just go away. The second one is going to be buying your toys before you buy a house. I love to pick on young adult men. Young adult men, I raised 4 sons, so having young adult men in my little circle is just my world. That's just the world I know. And they love trucks. Men love trucks. I'm not saying the women don't, but if you were to look up the statistics, most men are in love with trucks and bikes and loud things. And I had 4 sons. Remember, I understand this. I know this. If the truck is a 6-digit truck and you're thinking you want to buy a house, pause. Let's maybe not buy that truck yet. Do not buy your toys. Do not buy those big trucks. Do not buy the Taj Mahal car with all the bells and whistles until you've bought your home. Sure, you can enjoy those things. If you just want to rent, that's great. But if you're thinking home ownership, let's slow down just a little bit. Maybe we buy the lower end truck. Maybe we don't get all the bells and whistles. Think about it just a little bit before you actually go and spend the money on the 6-digit vehicle. The third one that nobody even thinks about is paying rent in cash. We don't really live in a cash society so much anymore, but there are people that are waitresses, waiters, bartenders, things like that get tips in cash. And they're like, hey, I don't put it in my bank account, then I never know that it's there. I don't have to worry about it. I don't put it in my bank account and it can just be paid towards my rent. The problem is when you walk into that rental company and you hand them that cash, we have no paper trail on it. So when we're going to buy a house, if we're thinking that we can use that proof that I've paid my rent on time to help me qualify for my mortgage, no, it doesn't help you. Unfortunately, you're going to have to throw that cash into a bank account somewhere. Maybe you get it into your bank account and you use Venmo because you don't want to get checks or whatever that looks like. Using some sort of a cash app works. It's paper trailable, I guess you could say. I need to be able to verify that you are the one that made the rent payment. I need to verify that it was made on time. Along with that, you've got to think about it this way. If we don't have a lot of credit depth, like if you're a first-time home buyer, you are just entering the credit world just a little bit and you don't have a lot of credit on your credit report, having that rent payment come out consistently every first of the month or fourth of the month or whatever you've calculated out, having it consistently come out of that bank account, our automated systems see that. They see that as an active line of activity that is going to help to qualify you on a home loan. So having your money actually come out of your bank account for rent is huge. It is a really big thing. And people just don't realize it. They don't realize the importance of having that come out of your bank account and have it come out consistently. Okay, recap 3 things. We do not want to dispute anything on our credit. Absolutely do not want to do that. Second thing, we don't want to make any big purchases. Don't buy the big old truck. Don't buy the brand new bike. Just chill out till you buy your house. And then make sure you've set out your rent to be able to come out of your actual bank account or some sort of a cash app so that we can verify it. I want you to share this with your friends, especially those friends that don't have a home yet and they want to become a homeowner. Share this, like it, subscribe to it, whatever the cute little buttons are. Mortgage Queen, definitely want to help you get your front door keys. And I want to teach you how small sacrifices today become front door keys tomorrow.